Cold weather can make maintaining livestock drinking water a challenge, but Rubbermaid commercial product's stock tank De-Icer is designed to help keep stock tank water accessible all winter long. Thermostatically controlled to turn on when the water temperature in your stock tank approaches freezing, and turn off according to internal preset temperature settings. Before installing your stock tank De-Icer, remove the pre-installed drain plug assembly by unscrewing the outer drain plug cap. After removing the nut from the De-Icer, thread the cord through the drain hole. Then screw on the plastic nut. Hand tighten until it's secure. Avoid over-tightening. Before plugging in the De-Icer, make sure your tank is completely filled with water. The heating element must stay fully submerged at all times to prevent overheating or damage. The De-Icer features a power indicating LED light that turns on once the unit is plugged in, and the water temperature is close to the freezing point. To keep your De-Icer running efficiently, regularly clean off any mineral or hard water buildup from the heating elements. Start by unplugging the De-Icer and waiting for the unit to fully cool. Remove the cage by pushing on the lower edge to release each snap. Pull the cage and base apart. Using a soft brush, clean the coils with water. Reattach the cage by placing it over the coil and gently pushing down to engage the snaps. Simple to install, easy to maintain. Your De-Icer is ready to keep water flowing and your farm moving all winter long. Learn more at rubbermaidcommercial.com.